Today I will be going over how to check your grades with Canvas. So as you can see, I have Canvas bookmarked, but for the purposes of this video I'm going to go ahead and type in the address, which is byu.instructure.com. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on my course, which is Instructional Psychology and Technology 371. Now here, once you've clicked on the course, there's a nifty little sidebar where you can access your grades from by simply clicking on the Grades tab. So this page shows each assignment by name, when it is due, what score you received, and out of how many. And if you scroll all the way down, it can show you your grade for the course.